Welcome back to another video. Today we have a really exciting review for all the beginners out there. We are here to give you an in-depth review of the NCF Y51130 to find out if it's good loco for beginners. So let's hop right into it. Let's check out this loco's details. On the side you can see some moulded detailing. The front grille has a nice appearance. The lights are simply moulded bits of the body. The nameplate is moulded onto the body. Inside the cab you can see the motor. The paint job is minimal but quite nice, although some of it appears to be scratched. Okay, so let's check out this loco's performance. So there is one thing with this locomotive where the actual wiring is of the opposite of how it's supposed to be. So when your controller says it's going to go forward, it goes backwards, and vice versa. Another thing with this locomotive is you can just do this because the wheels are directly connected to the motor. So when the wheels spin, the motors spin. Now let's check out its fast speeds. Okay. So yeah. Okay, pretty good. A little bit slow, but yeah. And then the crawl. Not really that good. No, it has almost zero crawl. So yeah, I mean, if you're a beginner and you don't really care about crawl, it can be pretty good. But yeah, let's see how strong this loco is. Okay, so let's see if this loco can pull a 4. And yeah, it isn't actually doing too bad. I mean, it does have a terrible noise, but yeah. So I add some more. Let's see if this loco can pull 8. And down here. Oh yeah, it's actually doing really well. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so let's see if this loco can pull 12. And oh, it's on the move. It's on the move. It actually can. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, let's add some more. Okay, so let's see if this loco can pull 16. And do a little push. No. Don't go backwards? No, definitely not. Yep, okay. So yeah, it really just can't pull 16. If you're thinking of buying the Class 08 model train and you want to know if it's worth it, watch the next video. If you liked this review, feel free to like and subscribe. And until next time, happy railroading.